What's up, guys? It's Sienna and welcome back to CC's room. So today we got Pretty Much plays phone swap and it's Fuse First. So I'm excited. I feel like I have saw this, and it might just be because I've seen so many of Misfix videos, but I really feel like I've seen this, but I don't know, y'all. Let's just go ahead and get into it.
Yes, pretty much.
Yes, pretty much.
We're about to play some phone swap.
We all have each other's phones. I got Nick's phone.
I got Austin's.
I got Zion.
I got Brandon's.
I have Edwin's.
Ooh. I'm about to expose.
I have Nick's phone. I'm guessing this is a fan picture. Someone cropped his face on that.
Someone photoshopped my face on that. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay, I've never seen this. I lied.
This looks to me like a really dramatic picture of the sky.
I forgot. I was messing with Snapchat's new feature.
It's really dramatic.
He said it's really dramatic.
So, I got Austin's phone, and we got a nice little pic of him sitting on a tree stump.
Just thinking.
Just thinking.
That's what Simon says.
Think.
Word.
Simon said sit on the stump.
So I have Edwin's phone.
You know, Blue Clues?
And I'm
I said Blue
definitely
Clues,
not
Blue
surprised to
Clues.
see this is the most recent picture. It's him posing. Definitely not surprised. Seems about right.
This is Zion's phone, and the last picture he took was when we were at TRL, and took a picture of him with a billboard. Yeah.
Selfie
He
gang.
left us out.
Selfie gang.
Selfie gang. Yeah.
Hate you guys.
Oh.
Alright, easy.
I'm gonna start scrolling.
A photo they
I
should have
can
deleted.
Scroll.
Keep it tight now.
I already got mine.
Okay. I don't think this is one he should have deleted, but I found this, and I think he took it because of me. It says ADP. Those are my initials. On the
Aw.
Oh, I got one. Oh, did I do it? I'm stressed, bro. I'm stressed. Brandon should have honestly just deleted this picture. It's a picture of our manager. Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Alright, so I have Edwin's. This one he should have definitely deleted. Edwin over here looking like a tool. Looking like a tool.
No, he does not need to delete that. He looks so gorgeous.
I gotta get my self-esteem up. You know, Nick gotta show his
He said I gotta get my self-esteem up.
First of all, that's the first picture you probably sent girls in the DMs. No lie. Anyway, yeah, Z. I mean, I guess he uses it for motivation, but he probably should delete this pic.
Oh!
This is back in the day when he was a little chunky
Ninth
monkey.
grade. I just wanna know who this guy. Who's that?
Yeah, who's the name you're sitting on?
Yeah, that's definitely a should have deleted. You should have deleted that one.
Strong enough. You're a goalie in the WHL.
Hey.
Oh yeah, yo, shout out to you. He doesn't look like this anymore, I promise you.
I'm
There's a porta
dead.
phone,
Oh
and
my
you got
gosh.
you got a picture of a scary cat.
This is my cat. This is
Definitely.
He said this is my cat.
It's my background.
Oh, I thought Eglin was your background.
Nope, I switched it.
I switched it.
Kid.
Text someone in their
Oh,
phone.
Alright?
Word. You know who I'm texting? You know exactly who I'm
No, no, I'm texting.
No.
This is terrible for both me and Nick because we have girlfriends, and I'm texting his girlfriend. No, it's gonna be random. Like she's just gonna not know what's going on.
Alright, I got one. I'm texting our videographer, Noah, who's really good friends with Brandon. Just texted him, "You're ugly."
You're ugly.
Is it sad? Is it sad? I'm a thick boy. He said, "I'm thick boy." You said, "I am a thick boy."
All right.
I am a big boy.
So, I'm texting Nick's girlfriend, and what I just sent was, so I found this turtle on the side of the street. Can we keep him and call him Rocket?
I'm dead.
So, I have Edwin's phone, if you haven't remembered, and he's got a contact I saw. It says God. And so I said, thank you for all the blessings. Amen. Should I put prayer?
God is my roommate from high school.
I'm
It's really
dead.
sad, but because he's my best friend of all time.
Oh wait, I got replies. Well, I mean, what else would we do with him? Please keep him. I'm so dead ass right now.
She said get a tank.
Get a tank.
I'm
She
dead.
did this. You can stay in the dorm. We're allowed to have fish.
Ah!
I don't like that, I guess. So yeah, Rocket moving to Miami.
No, what was she answering?
She said yes.
Bro, she's down for it. She's down.
He said, oh.
I didn't text her.
Sorry. Anyway.
Say sorry.
I'm sorry. I had to do two for Zach because there was just one that was funny and then one I just really wanted to do. But a friend of ours, Adriana, I texted her and said, "You smell like cheese," and she sent it back a picture of a bath full of water and soap and said, "Good thing I'm in the bath." And then another one, this is kind of mean, but he didn't answer. It's our choreographer, JD. I said, "Bro, you're fired, bro."
Please text him you're joking. Please text him you're joking.
Ran out of memory, but let's go ahead and hop back into it. I'm gonna go back just a little bit.
But he didn't answer. It's our choreographer, JD. I said, "Bro, you're fired, bro."
Please text him you're joking. Please text him you're joking.
Bro, I can't believe Alexis thinks you bringing this turtle to Miami.
No, this is what I texted her. I said, "Yo, this is Austin, a joke. I'm sorry." No, she's like, "No, Austin, I want the turtle. I need a companion here.
I need a companion here. I love animals."
I now have to buy her a turtle.
I was honestly 100% frightened for my life.
Don't worry, I wasn't.
I'm usually not that scared when someone has no phone.
Yo, JD's
But
tripping.
when he has that face on, I'm like, no.
No.
He texted my mom and said, "I love you." Good. Now I don't have to do it.
I was so scared.
I mean,
It was fun.
It was so fun, but
I was a little shaken because I don't know what he was gonna say.
now I gotta tell Adriana she don't
come
smell
on,
like cheese.
I was gonna keep it clean. You know.
And now I gotta tell her that the turtle was never real.
Tell
Never
her I'll
real.
buy her a turtle. I'm just gonna Feel go bad. along with it. He's thick.
He's thick.
Wait. Well, I mean, hey, this has been fun. On that note, I never want to let them hold my phone again.
Yeah.
This has been pretty much. See you next time.
Woo! My little baby. Them is so cute. I need to see when this was. When was this? Give me something good. November. Oh my god, that was in 2017. What? That's freaking crazy. That was a whole 2 years ago. I didn't think it was like that old.
Text Simon.
But wow. Okay, that's crazy. Whew, I mean, that was fun. That was lots of fun. I like these little challenges that they do on these little on these interviews. They're so cool. Like, they just be looking like they be having so much fun. Like, I want to go on tour with them. Like, I just want to be on the tour bus. I want to be a part of everything they do. I kind of want to live in their house with them. I want to always be like attached to one of them by the hip, preferably Brandon, or yeah, just Brandon. Definitely Brandon. I would really, okay, definitely Brandon, because I want to see his producing skills, and I want to pick his brain about music and stuff. Like, definitely Brandon. And he's eye candy, you know, it's just a plus. But yes, like, I just want to be with them 24/7, 365, actually 25/11, 3,500 days a year. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want me to react to, and blue hearts or true hearts.